students, today we are going to continue our topic trigonometry. We did some problems related to simple principle. How to take the trigonometric ratios using simple principle. The simple principle is useful to find the values greater than 90 degrees. Up to 90, 0 to 90, we have the table of trigonometric values up to 90 degrees. Greater than 90, if required the value 120 degrees, 150, 240, 180, 1200, 330, as like that, we have to use the simple principle. In the previous class, we did the problems how do we convert radians into degrees, degrees into radians, as like that. One more important thing here, I already told you the relation between degrees, grades and radians. How do we convert them? Understand? I have already told you the relation of degrees, radians and grades. Now we are going to do one problem as like this. Find the value of secant 2100 degrees. Now we are going to do this value. To find any value greater than 90, we use the simple principle. I have already told you the terms and conditions of simple principle. ఏదైతే సింపుల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఉన్నదో దాన్ని ఎందుకు ఉపయోగిస్తున్నాం మనము? ఏదైనా ట్రిగ్నామెట్రిక్ వాల్యూ 90 డిగ్రీస్ కంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పుడు దాన్ని ఉపయోగిస్తాము. సింపుల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ని ఎలా ఉపయోగించాలి, ఎలాంటి కండిషన్స్ ఉంటాయి, అవన్నీ నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పేసిన. ఆ విధంగానే మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే సింపుల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ని యూజ్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ చేయబోతున్నాము? సెక్ 2100 డిగ్రీస్ వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ చేయబోతున్నాము. దీన్ని ఎలా చేయాలి అంటే వినండి, ఒక రఫ్ వర్క్ ఉంటుంది. 2100ని ఏం చేయాలి? 9తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? 9 × 2 18, 3 వస్తుంది. మళ్ళీ 9 3 27, 3 వస్తుంది. ఏదైతే 9తో డివైడ్ చేసినామో ఆ 9ని మనం ఏమనుకుంటాము అంటే 90 డిగ్రీస్గా ట్రీట్ చేస్తాము. అజ్యూమింగ్ 9 యాజ్ 90 degrees. Understand? Now, let us, this can be taken as sec 2100 degrees can be taken as sec 23 into 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. We can write as like this. Now, this is in the form of n into 90 degrees plus theta. n equal to 23 odd number, sec changes to cosec, angle is 30 degrees, 23 degrees plus some angle. That angle lies in 23 plus 1, 24th quadrant. 24th quadrant అంటే 4th quadrant. 4th quadrant లో given sec positive, result also positive. cosec 30 degrees value 2కి ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటుంది. బికాజ్ sin 30 degrees value 1/2 కాబట్టి. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ చేద్దాం. ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ cot. Find the value of cot 1200 degrees. ఇది ఫైండ్ చేద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు cot 1200ని ఎలా ఫైండ్ చేస్తాం? అప్పుడు దీని సొల్యూషన్ చూద్దాం. cot 1200ని ఎలా రాయాలి? ఇప్పుడు 1200ని కూడా 9తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ 9 1s 9, 3 30 వస్తుంది. 9 3s 27, 3 30 వస్తుంది. ఏం రాయొచ్చు? cot 1200 degrees can be taken as cot 13 into 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. We can write like this. This is in the form of n into 90 degrees plus theta. Understand? This can be n value how much here? 13. 13 is odd number. Cot function changes to tan angle 30 degrees. Now 13 means 13th quadrant plus some angle, this is goes to 14th quadrant. 14th quadrant means dividing by 4, remainder is to second quadrant. In second quadrant, given cot function is negative, answer is negative. Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. We can find as like this. Now we are going to find one more question. Find the value of cosecant 330 degrees. Now we are going to find the value of cosec 330 degrees. The same thing we have to applying as like this. Cosec 330 degrees can be taken as cosec 3 into 90 plus 60 degrees. We can write like this. 3 into 90, 270 plus 60. How much? 330 degrees. Now, this is in the form of n into 90 degrees plus theta. Understand? N into 90 plus theta, n odd number 3. Cosec changes to sec, angle 60. Okay? This angle lies in fourth quadrant. 3 into some angle. 3 into 90 plus some angle lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, given cosec function negative, this is also negative. Minus sec 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sec 60 degrees is minus 2. Understand? Now, we are going to find another value as like this. Okay? Now, find the value of 4 into pi by 3. Find the value of cos 4 pi by 3. Cos function. Let us see how to find it. Cos 4 pi by 3 can be written as cos 4 into 180 by 3. Convert it into degrees. Okay? We have to convert this value into degrees. Okay? After converting this value into degrees, we can go through the value as like this. Okay? 3 into 6 means how much will come? Cos 240 degrees. Cos 240 can be written as 2 into 90 degrees plus 60 degrees. Now, this is in the form of n into 90 plus theta. N even number, cos remains cos, angle 60, to second quadrant plus some angle. The angle, whole angle lies in third quadrant. Cos function negative, this is negative. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Cos 240 degrees, how much? Minus 1 by 2. Understand? Now, we are going to find another value. Sec 13 pi by 3. Now, one more question. Find the value of sec 13 pi by 3. Question. Find the value of sec 13 pi by 3. Understand? Now we are going to find this value. Now solution, sec 13 pi by 3 equal to, can be written as sec 13 into 180 by 3. 3 into 6. Okay. Now sec 780 degrees. We are going to find the value of sec 780 degrees. This can be written as, okay, sec, this is can be written as 8 into 90 plus 60 degrees. 8 into 90, 72. 720 plus 60, 780. This is in the form of n into 90 degrees plus theta. What is n value here? 8. Even number. Sec remains sec. Angle 60. 8 into 90 plus 60. This angle lies in 9th quadrant. 9th quadrant means which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant, sec function positive. This is also positive. Sec 60 degrees too. Understand? Now let us go for another question. Find the value of tan 855 degrees. Let us find this value. Find the value of tan 855 degrees. Now consider tan of 855. This can be taken as tan of, how do we write it, this value? Okay, 9 into 90 plus 45 degrees. 9 into 90, 810 plus 45, 855 degrees. Now this can be taken as, this is in the form of n into 90 degrees plus theta. N value 9, odd number, tan changes to cot, angle 45 degrees. 9 into 90 plus 45, this angle lies in 10th quadrant. In 10th quadrant, nothing but second quadrant. In second quadrant, given tan function is negative, given result cot also negative. Cot 45 degrees is minus 1. Understand? Now let us go for another value. Find the value of, like this, sin 5 pi by 3. Now we are going to find the value of sin 5 pi by 3. Let us see. First of all, we have to convert sin 5 pi by 3 in degrees. Now sin 5 pi by 3 equal to sin 5 into pi value 180 degrees by 3. Understand? So it will be, how much will come? 5 into 6, 30. Sin 300 degrees. Understand? Now this can be taken as, sin 300 is 3 into 90 plus 30 degrees. 270 plus 30, 300. This is in the form of n into 90 plus theta. N value 3, odd number, sin changes to cos, angle 30 degrees, cos 30. 3 into 90 plus 30, angle lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, given sign negative, result cos negative minus cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 as like this. Now next we are going to find another value. Find the value of cos pi. Cos pi. Find the value of cos pi. Find the value of Find the value of cos pi. Cos pi equals to, can be written as cos 180 degrees. This can be written as cos 2 into 90 plus 0 degrees, or 2 into 90 minus 0, whatever it may be, no problem. This is cos remains cos. This is in the form of n into 90 plus theta. N even number. Cos remains cos. Angle 0 degrees. Second quadrant minus 1. So cos pi, cos 180 value how much? Minus 1. One more thing. Find the value of cos 2 pi. Let us check what will come cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi can be written as cos 2 pi. Cos 2 into pi means 180. Cos 360 degrees. Cos 4 into 90 plus 0 degrees. It can be taken as like this. This is in the form of n into 90 plus theta. Understand? Now 4 even number, cos remains cos, angle 0, fourth quadrant positive, so cos 2 pi 1, cos pi minus 1, cos 2 pi 1, cos 3 pi minus 1, cos 4 pi 1. We can get as like this. Now next we are going to find one more value. Find the value of sin 600 degrees. Okay. Now let us see how do we find this value. Sin 600 degrees equal to, it can be taken as sin, okay, 6 into 90 degrees plus 60 degrees. 6 into 90 plus 60. Okay. Now this is in the form of n into 90 plus theta. N even number, sin remains sin, angle 60. 6 into 90 plus 60 lies in 7th quadrant. 7th quadrant nothing but third quadrant. In third quadrant, sin function positive or negative? Negative. Result also negative. It can be equal to minus root 3 by 2. Understand? We can take as like this. Okay? Sin. Okay, now next question. Find the value of sin pi. Let us check what is the value of sin pi. Okay, sin pi can be written as in degrees sin 180 degrees. Understand? It can be taken as sin 2 into 90 plus 0 degrees. 2 even number, sin remains sin, angle 0, sin 0 is 0. Sin pi value how much? 0. Next, sin pi value 0. Now we are going to find another value, sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi value. Let us check that what will come sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi equal to sin 2 into 180 degrees. Sin 360. It can be written as sin 4 into 90 plus 0 degrees. 4 even number. Sin remains sin 0 degrees. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 2 pi value 0. Sin 3 pi value 0. Like that sin n pi 0. We can do like this. The remaining problems we should do in the next class.